Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto sauce without nuts. Many people love pesto, but nuts can be a common allergen or simply not preferred. We'll explore simple ingredient swaps that maintain that classic pesto flavor and texture you crave. Get ready to create a vibrant, fresh sauce that's safe and delicious for everyone at your table. It's easier than you think to achieve a fantastic result. For our nut-free pesto, fresh basil is essential. Aim for about 2 cups. Instead of traditional pine nuts, we'll use toasted sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds for that satisfying crunch and richness. You'll also need about 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, and a good quality extra virgin olive oil. These simple swaps ensure a fantastic taste without compromising on texture. Now, let's get blending. Start by combining your fresh basil, toasted seeds, garlic, and Parmesan cheese in a food processor. Pulse these ingredients a few times until they are finely chopped. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Continue blending until your pesto reaches a smooth, creamy consistency. You can add a little more oil if needed. Your delicious nut-free pesto is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. Try it tossed with your favorite pasta, spread on a sandwich, or as a vibrant topping for roasted vegetables. To store any leftovers, place the pesto in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days. For longer storage, you can even freeze it in ice cube trays. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.